Hello everyone, my name is Sanskriti and I'm an Akashic Record coach and a healer. I'm owner and founder at Soul Revolution with Sanskriti. So today's topic is karma. What is karma? We all have one soul and we take birth in different bodies, in different incarnation at different places around the globe. So when we say that we are suffering, we need to understand the concept of karma behind it. Karma are the unlearned lessons of our life and the unfulfilled journey of our life, which we still have to learn. Unless you give papers of class 1, you cannot be promoted to class 2. So we are here in this journey of life to learn from our karmas. When we say, are we suffering because of our karma or is it because of the contract? We always have answer with our own selves. And if we are not able to answer, you can always come to an Akashic Record reader and a coach to understand your journey of life. Karma has to be paid off. Karma can never be healed. What we do as an Akashic Record healer? As an Akashic Record healer, we always heal the belief system that we have implanted from a karma. A karma can never be healed. So people come and ask, can you heal if we have killed someone? No, it cannot be healed. But why you killed someone? What was the belief system in you because of which you attracted these kind of things in your life, these kind of beliefs in your life? We can always heal that belief system. Karma, you have to live with it. You have to be with it. When you are healed, you are on a better path of life where you can choose the right way. Always remember, when we are on a road, we can always choose we have to go left or right. Unless we are healed, the free will of the universe, we never get awakened to the free will of the universe. We never know what path we should choose, what way we should go. With Akashic Record healing, you evolve as a soul and you can always learn this modality so that you can heal yourself, you can heal your anger issues, you can heal your own depressions. Of course, this is not a alternative to any medical solution, but definitely you can help yourself in all the way and you can help the universe. If you are growing as a soul, if you are learning your lesson as a soul, you are collectively helping the collective human conscious to grow. We all have to go from third dimension to the fifth dimension. All the anger, desire, fear, it is all part of our third dimension, which is planet Earth. If you talk about fifth dimension, to which planet is already started moving, that fifth dimension is all about love. We don't have all these low vibration energies existing there. We should learn from our karmas. Lessons once learned are imbibed in our soul and we go from class 1 to class 2 with all the learnings. There is no shortcut, right? Thank you so much. Stay blessed, be happy and give lots of gratitude to each and everyone around you. Thank you so much.